Want to future-proof your career and stay ahead of the tech curve? By 2025, these 5 programming languages will dominate industries like AI, Web3, and quantum computing. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, mastering these could be your ticket to landing a $200K plus job. Let's dive in. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to level up. Let's kick things off with the undisputed king of AI and data science, Python. Why? Because it's simple, versatile, and backed by libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. In 2025, industries will rely on Python for everything, from self-driving cars to climate modeling. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, perfect if you're just starting out. Next up, Rust. This language is a game changer for systems programming. Think operating systems, game engines, and blockchain. Why Rust? It's lightning fast, memory safe, and already used by companies like Microsoft and Amazon. By 2025, Rust could replace C++ in critical infrastructure. So get ahead of the curve. Don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Number 3 might surprise you, JavaScript and TypeScript. Even in 2025, the web isn't going anywhere. With frameworks like React and Next.js, JavaScript powers modern apps, and TypeScript's type safety. And you've got a combo that's essential for full-stack development. Whether you're building startups or enterprise tools, this though is non-negotiable. Fourth on the list, Go, aka Golang. Created by Google, this language is built for scalability. In 2025, as cloud computing and microservices explode, Go's simplicity and speed make it the go-to for backend systems. Companies like Uber and Twitch already use it, so why not you? Last but not least, Solidity. If Web3 and blockchain are the future, Solidity is the key. It's the backbone of Ethereum smart contracts, DeFi, and NFTs. By 2025, mastering Solidity could position you at the forefront of the decentralized internet. Yes, crypto is volatile, but the tech isn't going away. The 5 languages shaping 2025. Whether you're into AI, web dev, or blockchain, these skills will keep you relevant in a rapidly changing world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.